Online students, so please confirm. Is it all okay here? Is it visible and the audible, guys? Please let me know, online students.
Yes, let's talk about the central tendencies. So, nimaga stats olagade third chapter we have got this concept called central tendency. In stats, central tendency refers to by identifying one single data, that one central value, you can summarize the whole data. ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರ ಥ್ರೂ ನೀವು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಡೇಟಾ ದ ಬಿಹೇವಿಯರ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ that can be done through these central tendencies, which are, there are three measures of central tendency. The one is mean, the second one is the median, and the third one is mode. You already ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅದು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀರಿ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇನ್ ಹೈಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಸ್ ಒನ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಐತ್ರಿ ಅದರೊಳಗಡೆ ಈ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೀನ್? In generally, mean is basically sum of all the data and divided by the number of observations. What it is? Sum of all data and divided by number of observations. It is in general understanding of a mean. And here, the median is basically a center value, not central, guys. Please do understand this. Central is a different word, center is a different, or I can say middle value is a different word. Middle value ge now median ant karitivi, center value, or can say, as I said, middle value. And the mode is the most repeated one in your data set. Most repeated one in your data set. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ತೈತ್ರಿ. But let me tell you something, why we need to study these mean, median and the mode in real time. Let's say, for example, there are 10 students in your class, and all those 10 students on 100, they have scored some marks. And if I want to say that the whole class average marks estaiti ant helidaga, what you will do? You will add those values and divide it by, there are 10 number of students, so you will divide it by 10, and that gives you the average marks of a class. Let me take that example and explain you. Somebody has scored 88, 90, 75, let's say 85, let's say 48, and 78, let's say 100, let's say 100 and sorry, should not be more than 100. 99, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, let's say 84, let's say 89. These are the marks scored by those 10 students. So how will you find the mean now? Now you can easily say that mean will be addition of all this and divided by 100. So let's assume that the addition of all this nearly somewhere around 600 ankori. Just for your understanding, I'm not very much interested in the calculation here. So let's assume yalla sum 600 akit ankori, and there are 10 number of students. So what would be the average marks of that class? It will be 60. That is a mean. Then what is median then? Median is, let's say for example, I have got a person's kind of, like a person is running some shop, and how much is earning on an average one single day naga ಎಷ್ಟು earn ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದಾಗ, let's assume he is earning, let's say 5,000 in his first day, and 6,000 on his second day, 7,000, 8,000, and suddenly let's assume he has earned 28,000. He has got some offers ಅಂತ assume ಮಾಡ್ಕೊರಿ. ಅವ ಒಬ್ಬ ಶಾಪ್ ಅಂಗಡಿದವ ದಿನಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಗಳಿಸ್ತಾನ ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅನ್ಕೊರಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇನಾಗ 5,000 ಗಳಿಸಾಕತ್ತಾನ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಡೇನಾಗ 6,000 ಗಳಿಸಾಕತ್ತಾನ, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಡೇನಾಗ 7, 8, 28, and let's assume he's earning 5,000 and let's say 8,000. ಇವಾಗ ನೀವು ಆನ್ ಅನ್ ಅವರೇಜ್ ಅವ ಒಂದ್ ದಿವಸಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಗಳಿಸಕತ್ತಾನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ ಐ ಮೀನ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಆನ್ ಅನ್ ಅವರೇಜ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಅರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ಒನ್ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಡೇ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಮೀನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ it won't holds good. It won't holds good because in this case, in this particular data of his earnings on one, like nearly some 6 or 7 days, ಇದನ್ನ average ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸಿಗುದಿಲ್ಲ ರೀ. ಯಾಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ there is some spike is taking place here, ಅಂದ್ರೆ extreme values ಬರಾಕತ್ತಾವ. ಅಂತ ಟೈಮ್ನಾಗ you cannot calculate the mean. When you have like a data which are very nearer by, then it is okay to calculate the mean. But ಯಾವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸ್ಪೈಕ್ಸ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಒಳಗೆ ಸ್ಪೈಕ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ ಅಥವಾ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಬಂದಿರ್ತಾವು, ಸಡನ್ ಸ್ಪೈಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಬಂದಿರ್ತಾವು, ಅಂತ ಕೇಸ್ನಾಗ ಮೀಡಿಯನ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದ ಅವರೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. Got my point? So that is about the median. The median is calculated when you have the spikes and the extreme values in your data set. Median is the best suited one because, let me do this calculation. If you just add all this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 days now, 5 plus 6 is 11, 11 plus 7 is 18, 18 plus 8 is 26, 26 and 28, it is 54, 54 plus 5 is 59, 59 plus 8 is 67. So total is 67. And how many they are? It is 7 observations. So what would be the answer for this one? 7 ones are and 7 nines are point, and it is somewhere 440 ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. 40 ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ I can take it as 7s are. So it is 9.7. So do you think he is earning on an average 9.7? It is not the accurate one. Instead of that, if I can find out the median of this data set, how will you find the median of the data set? You'll first identify, first you'll arrange all these datas in ascending order. It is 5, it is 6, and one more 5 you have here, and 7, 8, one more 8, and the 20. Now can you just say what is the middle value here? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Can we say that? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 7 is the middle value. Can you see that the average, on an average, nearer to 7 he is earning? Don't you think the 9.7 and the 7 has got a huge difference? So, ಯಾವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಡೇಟಾಸ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಭಾಳ ಸ್ಕ್ಯೂಡ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದ ಕಡೆ ಡೇಟಾ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಥವಾ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಪೈಕ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದಾಗ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಬೆಟರ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಮೀನ್. ಬಟ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಡೇಟಾಸ್ನಾಗ ಸಡನ್ ಸ್ಪೈಕ್ ಐತಿ ಅಥವಾ ಸ್ಪೈಕ್ಸ್ ಐತಿ ಅದಾವು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಒಂದು ಆನ್ ಎನ್ ಅವರೇಜ್ ಈಸ್ ಅರ್ನಿಂಗ್ 5, 6, 7, 8, suddenly 28,000. So in that case you have to find the median, and that's the best suited central tendency in such cases. So you might get as questions in your DCET, in which of the following the mean is the applicable central tendency, in which of the following case the median is the best applicable central tendency ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಯಾವಾಗ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವು ಅವಾಗ ಮೀಡಿಯನ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸೂಟೆಡ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸಿ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ವೆರಿ ಲೆಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟೆಡ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಅದಾವ ಅಂತಂದಾಗ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ದ mean to calculate that. Did you understand? And this is very important to understand the like how we apply this central tendencies. I hope it's clear for you.